Hi everyone, my name is Humphrey Peter. Welcome to my final project walkthrough today. I'll be demonstrating my newly built virtual machine environment created for the Ensign Student Center. So first off, I'll start here on the Server Manager dashboard where I'll show you where I've deployed a fresh virtual machine. I'll click on local server here. Right here, we can see our domain name as ensignsuccess.com. And we can see here that our operating system version is Microsoft Windows Server 2025 Data Center, which we can see here. Right here, we can see that our active directory domain is fully configured and is live as ensignsuccess.core. Moving into Active Directory user and computers, I have organized, you can see that here, moving into Active Directory and computers. I have organized our environment using dedicated operational units, which you can see right here. Right here under Ensign Staff. Just a moment, please. Which you can see right here. I've organized our OUs right here. We have all 7 required user accounts created, 1 center manager, 5 student advisors, and our additional domain administrator account for redundant management, which is this backup admin. Next, let's look at our storage and access control settings on the C drive inside the Ensign data folder. So I'll go to File Manager here. Right here in File Manager, as you can see, on this PC folder, I'll click on the C drive. You can see here that I've created a folder, Ensign Data. Under Ensign Data, we see here that I have admin reports, advising documents. Under advising documents, right here, we can see under properties that right here in security tab under advising document, after clicking properties, we can see here that the center manager and all student advisor have explicitly read permissions. We can see here that both students and the center manager have explicit read and write permissions here. Also, we can see here that inside the advising document, we have our advising notes in there. So next, we go into admin reports. Right here in admin reports, we already have our text in here. So next we go on to properties. And under properties, security, we can see here that only our manager has rights here and full control, keeping files safe, admin files safe, and admin reports safe. So next we go into group policy objects. From here we go to tools. Then in tools we go to group policy management. Here in group policy management, I'd open it down to create this already before. Here in group policy management, we can see here that from here, we'll be able to see that under default domain, we have been able to enforce a policy under account policies. We have enforced a strict 12 character minimum password length along with password complexity. So I'll just open it here and show you where that is. So I right click this, then click edit. And from edit, I go to computer configuration. I right click it, click on policies. And I'll go to Windows settings, right click again. Then under Windows settings, I'll go to security settings. Then from security settings, I'll go to account policies, click password and account locked policies. And I'll see password policy. From password policy, I click on it, and here we are. We see here that, as you can see here, we have enforced a strict 12 character minimum password length, which is showing here already. So next, we move on to desktop background. Under that, we'll click on Ensign Staff right here that you can see. Already we've created a staff browser policy under it. Right here we can see that a staff desktop and browser policy had been created and is enabled. So next we are dealing on the desktop background. Right here we'll click on under the group policy object. We would right click staff desktop and browser right here. Then we'll click edit. Under edit, under user configuration, go to policies. In policies, we'll click on administrative template. From administrative template, we'll go to desktop. And in desktop, we'll click desktop again here. And here we can see that under desktop on this folder here, we have set up a desktop wallpaper. You can see it here that is enabled. You can see it here, desktop wallpaper enabled. So next we go to show browser homepage group policy. We'll go to show desktop browser homepage GPO. So we repeat same process again. We'll go to this time we'll go to under user configuration. We'll right click on preferences. Preferences. From preferences, we'll go to control panel. Then from control panel settings, we'll go to internet settings. As you can see here. In internet settings, we'll double click on the Internet 10 Explorer here. And under here, you can see that's the link. We have inputted it and there's a green line, which means it's good to go. As you can see here. That's what we are looking at now. As you can see here. So next, I'll go to command prompt. I'll open PowerShell. Then I'll run the GPU update. Just to confirm all policies are updated successfully. So right here we can see in PowerShell that I have run that the GPU update was and 6 successful. Yeah, I impute this and it's successful. Thank you for watching.